This video is sponsored by Skillshare. Medyo, okay. It's okay. It's alright. Right, so based on the title, I did actually sell my first ever merch on Shopee, and that entire process went well, but then it also didn't. I wanted to make this video to share with you guys the behind the scenes of the making of my first ever merch drop. So I took a risk, and this is it. This is essentially how much sales I've made since May 11 until today, May 16. Yo, what's up friends? Welcome back to this video. If you're new here, what's up? My name's Nicole and I make videos on personal finance, investing, self-development, and other fun and interesting stuff. This video is the fun and interesting stuff. Even though I haven't really turned a profit yet on my merch, I still think it's really interesting what I learned so far of like the process of fulfilling orders, marketing, things like that. Just to show you guys quickly what I'm selling, it's this one, Bread Sun. Then I'm selling sticker packs and the enamel pin. Like, if you guys want to check it out, you can check out my Shopee store after watching this video. But let's get started. Alright, so since this is a behind the scenes, I'm just gonna show it to you guys, like actual behind the scenes. I didn't clean my table up. I think we can start with how I planned the products. There's not much planning that went into it. It was more of like a gradual process of what do I want to sell? I don't think I want to go big with shirts or big actual merch yet. So I'm gonna start with sticker packs because that's very easy. So what I did, there's a Notion page here. And I just essentially listed down, I want to sell sticker packs, and then I just listed down some ideas of what designs the sticker packs could have. I was thinking about, okay, if this is a sticker pack and this is my merch, it has to be something that's related to me. I was like binge watching my own videos, looking at the comment section, and taking a look at what are the things that I say, or like the ideas that I say that you guys associate with me. So my sister and I, we were like planning. I was asking for her help to help me design the stickers. We made it on Procreate. So for those of you guys who don't know, Procreate is like an app on the iPad. So this one, this is Nicole. This is the stocks. Breadfam CC because I like collecting cards. So medyo madali lang yung sticker packs that me and my sister designed, or I had to coordinate with my friend who I commissioned to create the other designs. So like back and forth kami sa Telegram, like we were sketching things out. She was showing me if this is good, sabi ko no, not that much. And we just kept exchanging things until we got to the designs that I was pretty happy with. So I didn't originally plan on selling enamel pins, but when I did the small business video and I bought some enamel pins from you guys, I thought, why not make a Bread Sun enamel pin? I've been packing for such a long time. Do you see how many pins and dami oh? Right. I'm gonna go pack one by one. Kaya this thing is taking long kasi I'm packing each of them by hand. I show you. That's like my idea for selling merch. So it's not just for Breadfam. Well, main target is Breadfam, you guys. Like, this is our community, our ideas. But I wanted to make it nice to the point na even if you're not Breadfam, even if you don't understand, the products still are nice to you and you would want to buy it. That's like that's the goal. For the support the live. I'm preparing the merch. I'm gonna save it soon. It's like almost 8 o'clock. I'm gonna paste. But watching. Sige, 1, 2, 3. Big thank you. Yeah. You see this? This is like the live of the sales. Look. Let's go. Right, so here's the thing. Yesterday I launched my merch and there's already a couple of orders. I have to figure out a way, like a system to ship them out, but I'm not sure kasi. Currently there's about 83 orders based on the Shopee Seller Center. Wow! Thanks for your support, guys. Now I have to figure out the way. A system. What I'll do na lang is I'll create a Google Sheet, spreadsheet everything, to be able to track everything. So I created a Google Sheet that has this information for reference so I can track properly. So ito, I put the pickup date. So I'm currently packing your orders, and if you're thinking, wow, Nicole, selling merch looks pretty cool, I kind of want to do that. I think it is indeed pretty cool and fun, and you should absolutely try it if you have some ideas in your brain that you want to come to life. And to help you guys out more, I do recommend you guys checking out the sponsor of this video, Skillshare. So Skillshare is an online learning community that covers thousands of interesting classes like graphic design, illustration, web design, photography, freelancing. But since we are talking about merch, I do want to recommend you guys check out these classes on branding an online shop and creating a product line, or this video that talks about tips and tricks behind well-designed merch. Or even if you're not planning to sell any product but you want to level up your skills, you can also check out this class on how to use Procreate. It was the app I was telling you guys about earlier. Or even these classes that cover the fundamentals of graphic design. There's honestly a lot of classes to choose from. I'm pretty sure you guys will find something interesting. Membership is super affordable because you get access to so many classes for only less than $10 a month for an annual subscription. Even better, Skillshare was kind enough to hook me up and then give you guys a free trial. The first 1,000 people to click the link in the description will get a free trial of premium membership. Thanks again to Skillshare for sponsoring this video. Right, so just to give you guys a sneak peek of how I pack orders. So yung sticker packs ko, they've already been pre-packed. All sticker packs are in like a brown envelope. And ito siya, there's like a backing card and then we wrap it with tissue paper. And then put a thank you sticker. And this one kasi I'm scared of it bending while it's being shipped. So what I did na lang was to buy chipboard. I saw kasi in Pack With Me videos, they have like backing cards. Like it's either cardboard or they get something that's medyo hard. And what I did was I got like this A4 chipboard and I cut them to size.
Wait, are they really stepsisters?
I'll get two, and you can see na medyo bended siya pa ganun, diba? I'll make those two sides face together. Then I'll just tape. Then, usually for the orders, I write a small note. Samantha? Thank you, Samantha. So I'm just gonna write a quick note for you. So I write a quick note, tapos papasok ko lang siya sa sticker pack. This one's for Samantha. I'm gonna put it in there. Then I just get cardboard thing. I sandwich it inside. Then iti-tape ko lang siya. Like that. So that's how I pack sticker packs. Para hindi siya mag-bend. So ako personally, I have pretty limited business experience considering that the closest I've gotten to something like this was when I sold the online windbreakers. Like I told you guys the story in this video, diba? So let me just say, throughout this entire process, I now have a newfound respect for online sellers. Like, gosh damn, mahirap ang mga ginagawa ng mga online sellers. I was so lost when I was like trying to process the orders early on. I didn't really know what to do. I didn't know how to use the Shopee platform. Like, ang confusing.
Bubble wraps on the product. It's outside.
Nothing is.
Yeah! Really? Yeah! Sinong mga bubble wrapper?
So I had a bubble moment. I'm so sorry. I didn't know. I didn't know that when you're wrapping bubble wrap, dapat nasa loob yung product. So like my bubbles are outside.
Why else do you? It's to protect it.
I'm sorry, I learned something every new. What?
What? She's gone.
I learned something new every day. Damn it! Okay. When you're wrapping your product with bubble wrap, with bubble wrap, dapat yung bubbles nasa loob. Don't be like me. So the only actual equipment I bought was a waybill printer. So I bought one on Shopee. There's a lot of listings, but I linked down in the description below where I bought mine. So this is the waybill printer we're setting up. Itong printing station. This is the waybill. See, I got a label printer. Here. Right. Dito. Mahirap maging online seller, girl. Saan ko to? Right. Ay! Sorry. Hey, dude. Okay lang.
Adapter.
Yeah, may laptop ko. Dito? Ano ba ito? Patay mo sarado. Woo! Kala ko nasira. There. Tapos, yan. And then, feed. Wait lang! Dali. Chill lang po. Ayan! Okay. Okay. So out of everything we packed, I would say that I had the most fun packing the breadsons. Like, all of the breadsons were put in these plastic bags para mukha siyang tinapay. And then all of them had bread certificates as a proof of adoption. Ala lang, cute lang. All of the breadsons. And we put them in these boxes because I feel like it would be sad if we just put like the plastic in the shipping pouch. So, bread mail delivery. Ganun. Pretend to just stand. Tinapay pala yun. Packing update. Boxes. Ang dumi. Ang gulo. Ang dumi ng kwarto. But that's okay. Ayun na ang aftermath. But that's 2 days worth of packing. I'm like messaging each and every one of you guys who ordered. It's fun. Some of you guys are so funny. I show you. Kung mga iba sa inyo nagpapa-request. Hello, Mama Bread. Can I have a photo of you holding my order? Thank you po. Syempre, good vibes, diba? Ano gagawin ko? I will send a picture of me holding the order. Yes, boy. This is so funny. I'm enjoying.